Hello student, I welcome you in today's session. In today's session, we are going to study the second chapter in Unit 3, titled The Night I Met Einstein. Now, in this chapter, the word Einstein may be familiar to you because it is a name of one scientist. He was world famous scientist was there, and here what kind of things happen there, how the writer made to the Einstein, we have to understand. But before starting actual this one, we have to see the warming up activities. As every now and then I used to say that warming up is one kind of an introduction to the chapter, so we can get so many ideas what may contain in the chapter by doing this warming up activity. So without making any kind of delay, we will try to understand how to complete this activity. I will work out few examples for you, and remaining examples you have to complete. So look at now, the first activity that we have to complete here is you have to prepare a profile is there of Albert Einstein. As I have already told you, Albert Einstein is world famous scientist is there, so we have to write his profile. How to complete the profile we will learn today. So here you can see the titles are given there, we have to just fill the information about that particular title. So first is profession. So what was the profession of Albert Einstein? He was actually scientist, I have already told you, so here you can mention the scientist. Now, field of science, what kind of field of science was there? He was dealing with the theoretical physics. So here you can write now the theoretical physics before the field of science. Next is third information we have to write about the Albert Einstein is a world famous theory proposed. So what kind of a theory is proposed by the Albert Einstein, we have to understand. He proposed the theory of relativity. So that is the answer. So similarly, I have already given you the clues how to complete this profile of Albert Einstein. Now you have to complete the remain titles by giving the appropriate information. Now we will see the second activity that we have to concentrate is, definitely this is also related with the chapter, but what kind of things are given there? Here some pictures are given there. Here you can see now there's some pictures are given there. You can see some pictures are given there. Here you can see tabla is there, shehnai is there, piano, and so many things are given there. We have to write the name of that instrument. After that, in the second column or third column, we have to write about one who plays is called. We have to write the name of that player, and who is the world famous player we have to write in the last column. In this way we have to complete the activity. For you, I will solve couple of examples, and remain example you have to complete. So pay your attention. Here you know this is very famous or common instrument. Some of you may be good player of tabla. So tabla is there. So here in this second bracket here you will write tabla, right? Now third column is there. One who plays is called tabla. It is known that person who plays tabla well is known as a tabla player, and world famous tabla player everybody of us know is Zakir Hussain. So in the last column you will mention Zakir Hussain. Similarly, the second instrument which is given here, shehnai is there. So definitely there will not be any kind of difficulty in identifying the instrument. So you can write shehnai here in the blank space. Again, one who plays is called. So a person who plays shehnai is known as a shehnai wadak, and the example is already given there, Ustad Bismillah Khan. He is also one of the world famous shehnai player was there. Now this is third. This is also very common music instrument. Most of the student may know, but even though if you don't know, no matter is there. I am going to tell you the name of this particular instrument is there. It is piano. In the, if it is not seen, at least in the movies you might have seen this piano, so you can identify this. Definitely, as we have identified the name of the instrument here, third instrument, that is piano, the person who plays it is already know, it is given there, it's known as pianist, right? Now some of you may know who is the world famous or famous pianist. We have to find out. The world famous pianist is Srinivasan. Anil Srinivasan is the world famous pianist is there. So in this way, one, two, and these three instrument, what they are known by, how they are known by, and which are the world famous players, I have already given you. So remain examples you have to identify and you have to complete the table. Now we will turn towards the third activity. Here what is being given there, we have to separate the words in the columns they belongs to. So look at now what is being given there. Here you can find now your chorus is being given, ballad is given there, melody, means all these are the words which are related with the music, dance, and sometimes both we can find, both the qualities we can find in these words. So we have to classify them whether they belongs to the music category or dance category or both are there. We have to, or both qualities of arts we find them in them, we have to find out. Okay, so first we will see now the chorus. Look at now, chorus is generally belong to music, so we have to write down chorus in music category. Second, ballet. Ballet is a one of the dance form is there, so we have to write down ballet in the dance category. Similarly, melody is also related with the music, so we have to write it in the music. After this one, swara is being given there, so swara is also related with the music, so it will occur in the this music category. Understood? Now the next one is given there, raga. Raga is also a part of the music, right? But before that, kathak is remain there. Kathak is also one of the dance form is there, so it will occur in the dance. Salsa. Salsa is what it is there. Salsa is both there. What it is, it comprises music as well as dance, so definitely it will come in common to both. So here you can see. Next is symphony. Symphony is also related with the music, so here you can classify it in the music. Mudra, here you can see now mudra is a part related with the dance, or it is aspect of the dance, so therefore you can write. Now I have already solved some of the example. I have already shown you how to make the classification of these words according to their properties, according to their features. Now it is your responsibility to classify remain words in these three categories, so music, dance, and common to both arts. I hope you understood all these things and you will complete the given assignment. Thank you.